Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a look at the features and benefits of the Ocelot Venus ATV UTV tire. Built for durability, traction, and versatility, this tire delivers superior performance. Whether you're working on the farm, exploring trails, or replacing an OEM tire on your Kawasaki Mule, the Ocelot Venus has you covered. The Venus tire is comparable to the well-known Duro K968. However, the Venus is comprised of a 6-ply rating as opposed to a 4-ply rating, making the Venus a more durable and dependable tire for heavier loads. This tire serves as a reliable OEM and general replacement option so you can tackle tough terrains without worry. Its multi-directional tread pattern provides superior traction and control, giving you the confidence to ride on both soft, loamy terrain and hard-packed surfaces with ease. With an impressive 15 mm tread depth, the Venus tire ensures reliable grip and long-lasting performance, making it a great all-purpose solution for your ATV or UTV. The varying tread pattern offers multiple biting edges to allow the tire to find traction and maintain grip in difficult situations. The zigzag center tread is packed closely to provide smoother and quieter rolling, while large side blocks offer reinforced stability when turning or traveling at high speeds. Offered in 23 by 11 by 10 and a 24 by 9 by 10 sizes, the Ocelot Venus is designed for versatility and is compatible with Kawasaki Mule UTVs, Dixie chopper mowers, and multiple ATV models, making it an excellent choice for both work and recreation. The Ocelot Venus ATV UTV tire is designed to maximize your riding experience. Whether you're hitting the trails or putting in hard work, trust in the performance of Ocelot. Thanks for watching and ride safe.